Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Doki Doki Literature Club on piano. We'll focus on the beloved song, Your Reality. First, choose an easy arrangement of the sheet music or find a simple tutorial online. Make sure your piano or keyboard is set up and ready to go. This foundational step is crucial for a smooth learning experience, helping you get started without any hitches. To find your learning materials, explore websites such as MuseScore, which offers various arrangements, including simplified versions. YouTube is also a fantastic resource. Search for Your Reality Easy Piano Tutorial to find step-by-step guides. For a more interactive approach, consider using piano learning applications like Floki, which can provide real-time feedback and guided lessons. These tools will greatly assist your learning journey. When practicing, begin by learning the right and left hand parts individually. Once comfortable, slowly combine them, perhaps at a tempo of 60 beats per minute. The song primarily uses 4 fundamental chords: C major, a minor, F major, and G major. Focus on smoothly transitioning between these chords. Consistent, deliberate practice, even for just 15 minutes daily, will build your muscle memory and confidence. To truly bring your reality to life, listen to the original song frequently to grasp its emotional nuances and rhythmic flow. Experiment with dynamics, playing some sections softly and others with more emphasis to add expressive depth. Finally, record yourself playing. This allows you to objectively assess your performance, pinpoint areas needing refinement, and celebrate your progress over time. Enjoy the beautiful music.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.